What if I told you hackers can track your phone number in just seconds? Sounds scary, right? Well, in this video, I will show you exactly how they do it using a real ethical hacking tool and how you can protect yourself from this type of attack. This video is for educational purpose only. Let's begin. This is the tool we are going to use. PN Tracker. It is a Python script that can track a phone number's location, career, time zone, and even generated a map in just seconds. First, make sure Python 3 is installed, then install the required libraries using this command. Or you can install everything using the requirements.txt file. Now let's run the script using this command. It asks for a phone number. You need to include the country code. For example, boom! In just seconds, the tool gives us location, career, coordinates, and time zone. It even saves a map in phone location.html that you can open in your browser. How hackers use this? Hackers use similar tools to gather information during social engineering attacks or SIM swap attack. This is why you need to protect your phone number. How to protect yourself? Don't share your phone number publicly. Enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts. Never click on suspicious links or give out OTPs. This was an ethical hacking demo for educational purpose only. If you learned something new, smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness.